Can someone edit a Smartsheet without a license? Can you edit a Smartsheet without a license? Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet and project management tool that is used by millions of people around the world. It is a great tool for tracking tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with others. However, Smartsheet is a paid tool, and you need a license to use it. In this video, we will answer the question of whether or not you can edit a Smartsheet without a license. We will also discuss the different types of Smartsheet licenses and how to get a license. Can you edit a Smartsheet without a license? The answer is no. You cannot edit a Smartsheet without a license. Smartsheet is a paid tool, and you need a license to use it. However, there are a few ways that you can get access to Smartsheet without having to pay for a license. One way is to use the Smartsheet free trial. The free trial allows you to use Smartsheet for 30 days. However, you will not be able to save or export your work after the trial is over. Another way to get access to Smartsheet without having to pay for a license is to use the Smartsheet viewer. The Smartsheet viewer allows you to view and print Smartsheet sheets, but you cannot edit them. If you need to edit a Smartsheet, you will need to purchase a license. There are a variety of Smartsheet licenses available, depending on your needs. Different types of Smartsheet licenses. Individual plan. The individual plan is for individuals who use Smartsheet for their own personal or work use. It costs $14 per user per month. Team plan. The team plan is for teams of up to 20 users. It costs $20 per user per month. Enterprise plan. The enterprise plan is for large organizations with more than 20 users. It costs $30 per user per month. How to get a Smartsheet license. If you want to purchase a Smartsheet license, you can do so online or by phone. You can also contact a Smartsheet sales representative for more information. In conclusion, you cannot edit a Smartsheet without a license. However, there are a few ways that you can get access to Smartsheet without having to pay for a license. If you need to edit a Smartsheet, you will need to purchase a license. If you are interested in learning more about Smartsheet, please visit the Smartsheet website or contact a Smartsheet sales representative. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.